Hi my dear students, today we are going to discuss the topic name is rate measure, which is very most important for PUC. So in PUC 5 marks question. Today whatever I am going to teach, if you learn only those many questions, you are going to get guaranteed 5 marks in PUC. Okay, so total in PUC part D section they are going to give 10 questions. Out of 10, we need to attend any 5 questions as per the new pattern. Okay, so I would like to make you to become strong in those 5 questions. In that first topic, what I have selected means rate measure. Now let me start. So I have written the question. This is the very most important question for PUC. At the same time, this exercise is important for cbse also. Okay, that's why I am mentioning clearly exercise number in NCERT, which is the 11th question, and in our important questions list, this is the first question. Now let me start 5 marks question summer. Okay, solution for this. A particle moves along the curve. So what is the curve? What is the given curve? Given curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, and is asking me to find the point on the curve. Let P of x comma y be any point on the curve. Be any point on the curve. Okay, so fine. Be any point on the curve at which this is the very most important point, at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times fast as the x coordinate. This is the very most important point what we are going to discuss in this question. So what is the important point? Which the y coordinate is changing 8 times fast as the x coordinate. Now let me write the equation for this. So at which the y coordinate is changing. How many times y coordinate is changing with respect to time? Y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. So dx by dt. From the given data I have copied this. And what is the given curve you have? 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Let me do this one differentiation. 6 I copied because constant. Differentiating on both sides with respect to time t. So y derivative is dy by dt, and x cube derivative 3x square, then it is I am doing with respect to t, differentiating on both sides with respect to with respect to t. So 6 copied, y derivative dy by dt. X cube derivative is what? 3x square. I am not doing with respect to x. With respect to time, no. So it is not t. So once again we will write dx by dt. And then constant derivative 0. Now let me conclude. 6 into dy by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Dx by dt. Now you people can tell. So what I can write? So already you people knows what is dy by dt. From the given data, dy by dt is what? 8 into dx by dt. Let me replace 8 into dx by dt. So is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Dx by dt cancelled. And 3 table, no, 3 2s. Okay, and 2 8s are 16. Here what is there remaining? X square. X square is 16. Then what is the value of x here? Plus or minus 4. So in this point on the curve, so I got the value of x. What about y? So we'll substitute this x value in the given curve. So put x equal to 4 in equation or in the given curve. What is the given curve here? In 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Let me start substituting. 6y 4 cube plus 2. So 6y is equal to 4 cube is what? 4 cube. What is the 4 cube value? 64 plus 2. Now we can continue this. 64. Now tell you 6y is equal to 64 plus 2 is what? 66. Now the value of y. Can I use the 2 table or the 3 table? Which one we can use? Why to think much? 6 11s are. Okay, the value of y is what? 11. Now what I am getting here, when x is 4, the value of y is what? 11. I got 1 point. X is not only plus 4, no, another value is there. What is that? Put x equal to minus 4. If I put x equal to minus 4 in 6y equal to what? X cube plus 2. Let me substitute in this curve. Now you can tell 6. What is the value of y? Which is called as 11. And x cube, should find the value of y. 6y. What is x cube? X value you know, right? How much x value? Minus 4 whole cube. Then plus 2. Minus 4 whole cube plus 2. Now you people get that 6y is equal to minus 4 whole cube is what? Minus 64 plus 2. 6y is equal to minus 64 plus 2 is what? Minus 62. Now y equal to minus 62 by 6. Then 2 table, 2 31s and 2 3s. The value is minus 31 by 3. Here the point minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. I got 2 points on the curve. Okay, this is the answer. See how much easy. Okay, so you people please learn these questions and we'll go to the next question now. So now the second question. This is also very easiest question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. What they are telling? The length. What is the length here? X of a rectangle is decreasing. Decreasing means always we should take the negative sign. Increasing means what? Positive sign. This we have the clarity, I hope. Let me start first taking the given data. What is the given data? They are telling. If you write through story, it is good, but I will write the main part only. Now, so first, given data. Length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. So what length amma? X length. With respect to time, minutes. With respect to time, dx by dt is what? 5 centimeter per minute over. And the width y is increasing. What am I here? The width y is, I said here decreasing. Decreasing means what? Minus. Okay, na? And the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. So what increasing? Width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute with respect to time. So increasing, no, plus. So how much? 4 centimeter per minute. This is okay. And when x is equal to 8 centimeters and y equal to 6 centimeters, then what they are asking you people to find here? So find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Here they are asking us two things. One is the perimeter of the rectangle and the second one is area of the rectangle. Now you people should know. So let the first one, let P be the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle at a time t. Perimeter of the rectangle at a time t. What is the formula perimeter of the rectangle? So I hope you people know the story how to write. Let P be the perimeter of the rectangle. So now let me take. Please write the sentence and P is equal to 2 of x plus y. Now I would like to do the differentiation with respect to time. with respect to time. Now dp by dt, write the sentence differentiating on both sides with respect to t. dp by dt, 2 of x differentiation with respect to time, so dx by dt. Y derivative with respect to t, so dy by dt. Now you people knows dp by dt, and what is dx by dt? What is dx by dt? Minus 5 centimeters. What is dy by dt? 4 centimeters. So dp by dt is equal to 2 of minus 5 plus 4, which we can write as minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is what? Minus 2 perimeter. So normal units only. We won't take any more. Centimeter per minute. So the final conclusion, the perimeter P is decreasing at the rate 2 centimeter per minute. Decreasing. The last sentence what we can conclude, the perimeter of the rectangle is decreasing at the rate 2 centimeter per minute. Now the B question. What is the B question? So in the B they are asking you to find area of the rectangle. So let A be the area of the rectangle at the time t. At the time t. Now tell me what is the area of the rectangle formula. Area A is equal to x into y. Now let me do the differentiation with respect to time. So differentiating on both sides with respect to time. So dA by dt is equal to which is called as uv. So look like uv. So x copied, y derivative dy by dt plus y copied, then derivative of x is what? Dx by dt. I am doing with respect to time. So we followed like that. So now let me write here dA by dt is equal to, what is the value of x they given for you in the given question? X value is 8. So and what is dy by dt? dy by dt value is 4 plus, what is the value of y? They given y is 6. What is dx by dt? They have given to you minus 5. Let me calculate it. dA by dt. 8 4s are 32. 6 5s are 30. So I am getting 2 units. So which is called area. You people should know. Area means square units. Volume means cube units. But normal perimeter or length width means normally will take the units. Now what it is area? Area means which units I will prefer? Square units. So 2 centimeter square per minute. Now the conclusion step. The area of the rectangle is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per minute. Then you people can copy. Then we'll go to the next question now. So now we are going to do the third question. It is in NCERT 14th question. NCERT exercise number I am keeping here. And in our list, it is a important question. Third question. Let me discuss. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube. At the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. First, you should have the clarity. Which units I have here? Cube units. If it is cube units, what I should take? Volume I should take. Now what I should take? Volume. So changing pipe at the rate. Rate means what? Rate of change. There is some change. Let me go through graphically. But blindly you people remember when you have seen the cube units, which is called as what? Volume. Oh, volume means what? Let me write the solution. We can write dV by dt is equal to 12 centimeter cube per second. Cube units means direct we can tell, which is going to be a volume. Okay, now that is okay. Now let me read first. Now there is a pipe, it seems. So sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand forms. This falling sand forms a cone on the ground. How it will form? How it will form? Cone shape. This is the falling sand forms a cone. See now, it forms a cone. Okay, they are telling that the height of the cone is, this height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. Means, let me explain once again this. This is radius, this is height. No need to think much. So here underline sentence, what we should underline? See, height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. So what they are telling so first you should write some story. That is okay, let R be the radius, H be the height of the cone. Okay, now what we should find, how fast is the height, how fast is the height of the sand cone is increasing. What we need to find from given question we understood we need to find dH by dt at when the height is h is what 4 centimeters. When the height is 4 centimeters, what I need to find dH by dt. Means this height is changing, no, keep on, no. This height we need to find it since. Now let me start. What you understood from the given question? So they given the volume change dV by dt 12 centimeter cube per second. Now underline what? By using the underline word, the height of the cone, okay, height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base, 1/6 of the radius of the base. This is the thing I have. Now, so first you need, so we are using in the conceptually what volume and height, these are those things. Now let me take what is the volume of the cone at the volume of the cone formed at the time t. So volume of the cone formed at the time t, what is V? 1/3 pi r square h. Now you people have the clarity. What you should find dH by dt. So the equation should be in terms of h. That's why they have given. So what is r? Radius is what 6h. Radius is what? 6h. Now you can tell V is equal to 1/3 pi. What is the value of r? 6h whole square into h. V equal to 1/3 pi. 6 square what? 36. H square into h what? 36 h cube. Now what it is? 3 12s. So volume 12 pi h cube. Now let me start doing the differentiation. So differentiating on both sides with respect to t. Differentiating on both sides with respect to t. dV by dt. Okay, 12 pi. H cube derivative, it looks like x cube. Derivative of h cube is what? 3h square. I am doing with respect to time, but it is t na? No. So what we can write then extra? dH by dt. Now what is dV by dt here? 12. Okay, now it is 12 into 3 pi. Okay, h square. What is the value of h? So 4. When changes happen, then they told h. See, okay, how fast is the height of the sand cone is increasing when height is 4 centimeters. So height is what? 4, no. Now our target is what finally? Finding dH by dt. Just simplify this. 12 get cancelled. 1 no. 4 square 16. 16 3s are 48 pi. dH by dt. Now what is dH by dt? Is equal to 1 divided by 48 pi. Height no. So centimeter per second. Centimeter per second. So you can tell, okay, the height of the sand cone is increasing at the increasing 1/48 pi centimeter per second. So this is the very most important question. Repeatedly they have asked this one. So we'll go to the next question. So students, this is the very most important question. Even I can tell you people many times repeated. This is the first occupied, means the first preferable question is this only, especially. Okay, because in the previous years it came many times. So what I am thinking, Every student should learn this question in the proper way. Okay, so let me start. The ladder question. We would like to tell what? Ladder. A ladder 5 meters long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. So I understood. By reading this much, I understood. What I understood means, a ladder 5 meters long is leaning against a wall. Let me draw the wall. There is a wall. Okay, so wall is there. Okay, I understood. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. This is going to be a ground. This is going to be a ground. O to A, and this is going to be B. Okay, now let me draw the ladder. This is the ladder. Okay, this I would like to consider X, and this I would like to consider Y. So by the data means OA is equal to X and OB equal to Y. And what I am going to tell, AB is the ladder. What I am telling, AB is the ladder. Ladder is how much they said? Ladder is 5 meters. Okay, this the data I have now. Okay, now see, read properly. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. Along the ground. See now, this is the bottom of the ladder. Okay, suppose a person is standing here. Okay, another person is standing here. Okay, now this person what he is doing means he is going to pull the ladder. He is going to pull the ladder means he is telling that only. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. Along the ground away from the wall. For this wall away. At the rate of 2 centimeter per second. So when he is pulling the ladder, there is a change in the bottom. Okay, like suppose when we are pulling the ladder, the person will be down. That is other matter. Okay. So now the ladder position is like this now. The ladder position is like this. When we are pulling the ladder, this is the position. Now what I can take means dx by dt is equal to, what is the dx by dt? Okay, this change we are going to tell how much from the given data away from the wall at the rate is 2 centimeter per second. That is okay. And what is the question? How fast is its height on the wall decreasing? Height of the wall, this much decreasing. No. How much? How fast is its height on the wall decreasing? When the foot of the ladder is 4 centimeters. What is the foot of the ladder is X. X is how much? 4 centimeter it seems. This is the given data I have. Write neatly. Okay. Write neatly here. OA is equal to X. OB equal to Y. Let AB be the ladder. So AB equal to 5 meters. Then we will start. Now let me explain. It looks like a triangle, right angle triangle. I would like to use the Pythagoras theorem. X square plus y square equal to what? 5 square. Now I would like to find the y value. 5 square minus x square. Y is equal to what? Root of 5 minus 5 square minus x square. Now let me start doing the differentiation with respect to time. Sir, how we will get to know we should do with respect to time? We have lot of confusion. I will tell clearly. You observe in the given question. Centimeter per second. 8 times faster. Somewhere they will mention the time. If any other questions, they will tell you with respect to x like that. Okay, now no need much discussion. We'll complete it as early as possible. See now. I have taken the right angle triangle. Then y square this. Y value is this. Now tell me. I would like to do differentiation with respect to time. With respect to time, differentiating on both sides with respect to t. Root x means what? 1 by 2 root of 5 square minus x square. What it is? 5 square minus x square. Constant derivative 0. Minus x square derivative is what? Minus 2x. But I am doing with respect to t, but it is t na? No. What it is? X. So what I should write here? dx by dt. So now we can conclude dy by dt is equal to 2 get cancelled minus the value of x is what? 4 centimeters and divided by root of 5 square minus x plus what? What we can replace x is what? 4 square. Dx by dt is 2. let me conclude now. Dy by dt minus 4 into 2 minus 8 divided by 5 square is what? 25. 25 minus 4 square is what? 16. Better write some steps. 16 minus 8 by 25 minus 16 is what? Root 9. Root 9 can written as what? 3. So dy by dt is minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Okay, na? And I would like to ask you all, okay, fine enough. Okay, y minus is there means what you should conclude? Y is decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Y is what am I here? Y is decreasing. Yes or no? When we are pulling the ladder, it's going to come down. Okay, it's very clear. Okay, sir, it's a tough nothing. X, Y, right angle triangle. This is the ladder. Just one time differentiation. You people knows very well. Then substitute, calculate. Easily I made it actually. So I hope you people understood well. So next question. Now we are going to discuss another question. NCERT question number available here. In NCERT textbook it is the second question. So now in this video we'll do only 5 problems. In the next video 5 more problems. Total 10 problems. The first very most important questions I did in the part 1. Okay. Next little bit difficult and miscellaneous example or miscellaneous exercise. Whatever. Miscellaneous example problems 2 are there. One is water tank. One more is a man of height. So those questions also available in the next video. Because okay. No need to waste time. We'll continue now. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. Whenever you have the cube units, what I am telling, blindly will consider as the volume change, means the solution. So dV by dt. First write this. That's it. 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area is increasing? What am I? How fast is the surface area is increasing? From this what I understood, ds by dt should find. You people can see here they said time, seconds. So I am going to do with respect to time. And when the length of an edge is 12 centimeters, let me consider length of an edge is x. X is how much they given? 12 centimeters. Better you write here. Let x be an let x be the edge or length of an edge, and v be the volume of the cube, and s be the surface area of the cube at some time, at any time t, at any time t. Write that story. Then I have collected the data. Now let me use the formula. Cone diagram if you write, it's good. Okay. Now let me start. What is the volume of the cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So basically what we need to find here? Surface area. Then please use that also. S is what here? 6. What is S? Sorry, it is cone. Now I am talking about cube. Sorry, I forgot. Sorry. What is the volume of the cube? X cube. And what is surface area? 6x square. Okay, formulas. Better write the sentence. Let V be the volume of the cube. Let S be the surface area of the cube at time t. Now let me start. Sorry, Amma. So dV by dt is equal to x cube. Derivative is what? 3x square. But I am doing with respect to time now. But it is not t. So what I will do? Once again I will do the differentiation. So dx by dt over. Now you people knows already dV by dt. How much we know? 8. So 8 equal to 3x square dx by dt. Now what is dx by dt value? Means if it comes here, 8 by 3x square. Closed. So I got the dx by dt. Now what about s? ds by dt. 6. X square derivative 2x. I am doing with respect to time. So what I can write? Dx by dt I can write. Now you people can tell. Already we found sir dx by dt, will replace it. Okay. Yes. Let me substitute there. So ds by dt is equal to 6 2s are 12 into x. What is dx by dt value? 8 by 3x square. 8 by 3x square. Now x square get cancelled, which is called as 3/4. Now ds by dt is equal to 4 8s 32 divided by, okay, what I have remaining x square eliminated means only x is there, 32 by x. Already in the given question, x be an edge, no, length of an edge. X is how much they given for you? 12. So ds by dt is equal to 32 by 12. Now let me do some calculation. 2 table or 3 table or whichever table will go that. So now I would like to use 2 table to make you people to understand. Okay, 16 and 6s. Okay, again 2 8s and 2 3s. So the answer is 8 by 3. 8 by 3. Surface area. Area means what units will use? Area means what units will use? Centimeter square per second. Okay, na? Centimeter square per second. I hope it's clear. It's clear. I hope everyone understood. Volume means always cube units. Surface area means square units. Length, whatever. Let them give anything. Remaining all will consider as what? Just normal units, centimeter per second, like that. I hope this video is so useful. Like that, if you encourage me, I will do the keep on. Even in further. If I understand you are watching my videos, then I am going to do multiple choice questions chapter wise. Okay, please encourage me and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.